Tajmotormedics. I've got a Vauxhall Corsa here on a 2012 plate. This is a Corsa D. We're just doing a number plate. Like, I've already done one side. As you can see, this one here is out. The reason I left it out is just for you to see what's happening exactly and what's holding the number plate. So this is the area that's holding it in. So you've got to push it in from here first and then slot it in. So what I'm going to do with this one, if you look inside, so if I slot it in, and that's it, that's done. So with this side, it's exactly the same thing. So what you've got to do is you've got to wedge your screwdriver in. If you just come forward a little bit. So if you wedge your screwdriver in here, and then push it forward, and then bring it out towards you. So you can see now, that's coming out there. I then undo it, take the whole thing out. Now this is a 501 bulb, which can be found in the description. So if you needed a bulb, and you know, or if you wanted a bulb where to buy from, you can click the link and you can get one. I've already got the new one, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch the lights off first. Now I've got the bulb lights are off, so I'm going to slot it in. Once I slot it in, this is the same thing again. You've got to remember the seal around here as well, so make sure the seal's intact. If it's not there, then you'll be in trouble, because you'll get water inside and that will fuse the bulb all the time. So this would only go one way as well. It's from the top, you've got lugs around here. So you've got a big one on the right side, small on the left side. That's it, job done. Like I said on the other side, so you've got this bit here and this bit here that needs to be slotted in. So I need to do this side first. Once I've done that side, I then do this, and I'm going to check the lights now. Right, as you can see now, they're both working. That's all it was. That's all it was on this particular model. It is a Corsa D. We do have a playlist for Vauxhalls as well. Do like the other bulbs, rear tail light, brake light, position lamp, indicator bulb, reverse light, front headlight. It's all in there as well. So if you do want to check it out, check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.